Hello everyone, my name is Jinky M. Pagbiad and I live in Barangay Pulangi, Purokwan.
The environment is the foundation of life, yet it continues to face countless threats such as pollution, deforestation, climate change, and irresponsible use of natural resources. These issues do not only harm nature, but they also endanger the human health, livelihood, and the survival of future generations. As a steward of the earth, it is used responsibility to take action and protect environment.
The environment is our life source. It gives us clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, fertile soil to grow our food, and countless resources that sustain our daily lives. Yet, despite its generosity, our environment is endangered. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity are urgent problems we can no longer ignore. If we do
Through
not
this
act today,
advocacy,
the,
we aim to promote
the generations
awareness,
act will
inspire
suffer the
action,
consequences
and
of our
influence change. We encourage schools, families, and communities to engage in environmental projects like tree planting, coastal and river cleans up, recycling programs, and eco-education campaigns. At the same time, we call on policymakers to strengthen and implement environmental laws and safeguard our natural resources.
Our advocacy, protect nature, secure our future. It's a call to action for everyone to become guardians of the environment. We believe that protecting nature is not only the responsibility of government or organizations, it is the responsibility of every individual, such as reducing plastic use, converting electricity and water, planting trees, and properly managing waste can make a huge difference when done collectively.